that? You should take a swig of that.
No way.
Oh yeah, how was that tablet? How'd you feel after the
Oh
Chinese tablets?
man.
Oh, I got something.
Mm.
Oh hey dudes, download the Temu app using my link in the prescription box, or scan this QR code on the screen and enter code DYX4243 in the search bar. You can get my picks for extra discounts and a $100 coupon bundle for free. You can explore all the available discounts and find corresponding discount prices and QR codes here on your computer. The coupon bundle must be used within 24 hours of redemption, so if you see your favorite products, be sure to make your purchase before the offer expires. Remember the coupon code DYX4243. How you doing?
Not too bad. I'm gonna have another one for you.
Oh, right on.
Yep.
Thank you. Oh, a little bit of a package. Nice. We got a potential have a concrete job coming up. I got this for the felon's butt. Hey, I got this for the felon's butt. You just stick that in his butt. Stick stuff in you. Oh, nice. It's got some serious. Stick this in yourself.
Serious dust coming off the tracks there.
Right? Yeah, I don't know how you can tell we were going to try to do some concrete, but it's a little ambiguous to try to do that. Felon doesn't have enough Chinese tablets in him anymore, I guess.
No.
Should have tried it yesterday, but you were all out of it.
Yeah.
You were pretty out of it there.
I was pretty freaking out of it.
What's up with that? Like a couple of weird Chinese tablets, and next thing you know, you're all dicked?
I guess.
Crazy. What?
Hey man.
Oh, how you doing?
Not too bad.
Oh,
Just
nice.
the one today.
Right on. Much obliged.
No worries, sir. You have a good week.
You too. Thank you. Oh, bonjour, senoritas. I have a little demonstrations for you today. Oh, what do we have here? It's starting to look as though we might have the out sunny here, boys. So let's see what they say. Let's see what out sunny does. Looks like there might be a spot for a couple wheels on there. Looks like we got some weight bags. Oh, we got some tent poles, but the satchel got a little Ripolini into it. That's probably the hood ornament. Holy, look at that. That's pretty awesome. Yeah, when we went to Florida, this is what we should have got, because it's hotter as frig in Florida.
Oh, buddy.
Oh,
Yes. Clicks. Hell yeah.
right on. The corner on the corner on the corner. Nice. Give her a little touch of a yank. Oh,
I'm getting all
nice.
dirty though. Oh,
Great. Great work, Fallon.
I'm just gonna have to hide that corner.
Yeah. Grab half, we'll slide her over, and then we'll make our little seminar area. Look at this. Oh, we got our first phone call. We got our first business meeting. Oh, now we can set up our presentation, boys. Looks like it come with two sides, so that's all right, I guess. Probably put one side against the van. And comes with a nice satsuo. So I got this for the felon for Christmas, and I'm gonna try to get some shots, get some B-roll, if you will, of trying it out on the felon's behind. See what happens. But she got a 6-foot antler onto her. Holy! And it's got reverse threads to attach this guy on there too. That must be for some type of a strategic reason. But what do we got for cord here? So that'd be a 6-footer. We got upwards of a 14 to 15 foot cord on this guy here, boys. So they didn't skimp out on the cord, that's for sure. So friggin' rights for that. I believe this here's a Vever. This here's a Vever. We got a special shipment from the Temus, eh? So if you're into the Vever stuff, we got all type of the Vevers at the Temu headquarters. So to go along with this ramrodder, we got the Neil cart, so you can friggin' really get down onto your friggin' whatsits there. Because when I get down on my whatsits, on like the hard ground and stuff, you know, but you can like just kind of get down and oh yeah, it's not so bad, you know what I mean? But I'm always like going like this, and then my leg gets dicked, you know. But yeah, figure that guy there. That'll come in handy, especially if we combine forces. You know, we got the ramrodder and the Neil McGee. That'll be awesome. But also, boys, check this out. We got another Vever. We got the Vever this, and check this out. We got the Vever that, boys. What is it? Vever Tools magnet. Different type of the forces. She's got the rubber gloves. It comes with the ropes, the grappling hook, the different ropes, and the whatsits here. So we should open this guy up. We'll keep this in the Grumman, and that way when we're out on our different type of the adventures, we've got plenty of shenanigans to do. You know what I mean? Or different type of the shenanigans to do. I don't know if it picks it up on the microphone or not, but we got the nice ambiance of the Baxter's dogs. Yeah, boys. Just living their best life, you know. Yeah, we got some Loctite on there, and we'll just friggin' tighten this guy down. So yeah, there she is, boys. I elected for the top chooch because I figure the side stuff could, you know, slide off it more, you know. That's my thoughts anyways. We got an extra guy if we wanted to go with the side as well, but we'll just use the one for now. And yeah, next time we're out somewhere where we're gonna saunt some stuff, we'll try this out. It's pretty awesome. Yeah, it's not too bad out today. It's a pretty nice day out. It's not sweltering. No, it's not like 400 degrees. It's like actually 36 degrees out or something in Canada. So that's like, oh, we got a mushroom. Jim.
What?
Eat this.
Oh, you won't eat that. That'll give you a buzz.
Just pop the scrot off it and eat it.
You imagine?
Oh, damn. Oh, that was close. Had the whole tumbleweed going over. Oh, try to catch my herc. I apologize.
Magnetic herc.
Pull it up. There's a big gob of herc on the line.
Nice. Peel it off.
Yeah, but you feel how it's like kind of, it almost feels like it's like those, you know, linked together block bottoms to stop erosion and shit, you know? Hard to tell. There's some bubbles coming up. What'd you find? Oh, little fart bubble action. Couple hoots off the fart bubble, looks like. I don't think there's anything in the rivers around here. I think you gotta go to America. Oh, there's more bubbles. Well, you got something on there. Maybe it's just a leaf. Oh, a razor blade or something.
It's just a friggin' pot leaf.
Couple nails or something.
Yeah. A couple rusty nails.
Fridge sack. But he had a GoPro on his dash. Probably got footage of us. Nice. Friggin' this is from Temu, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah, they sent me like a tarp canopy thing and a butt vibrator. You want to try that?
Oh yeah. Does it go in?
Oh, big time.
It's like an internal butt vibrator.
Yeah, oh yeah. Like 6 foot. It'll come out your mouth. Yeah. Yeah. It's like for concrete vibrating, but we don't have any wet concrete to vibrate, so.
But we got butts.
Yeah. But like, see how there's all these like little spots in the concrete. It's like all these little deviations and holes and stuff. And then they had to
bubbles out.
Yeah, they had to come along and friggin' fill all these little pock marks in and everything. Oh, did you get something? You got bubbles. Is she snared up on something?
No, it feels like it's like I'm attached to something. Oh.
Oh,
Just let
it
go.
unattached. Yeah, so you vibrate it, and I mean, even when you vibrate it, it'll still do it a little bit. But how there's all that honeycomb in the concrete. And get rid of that. Nothing. Maybe try over this way or something. Right in the f***ing Willard pads. Right in the Willard pads. Oh, they're growing flowers in them, eh? Man, I thought for sure we were going to be hauling shopping carts and all type of debris out of there.
Rifles.
I thought we might want to just bring the trailer just in case we start really hauling shit up. We can do a scrap load, you know? Yeah, we gotta. Looks like we gotta probably find the right bridge. It's hard to tell there's anything in the water when it's just freaking like chocolate milk, you know?
Yeah.
When all the sewers just drain into the rivers around here.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you got a bunch of wee weeds. She's all snared up. That's great. It's got a wig on it now.
Yeah, that's cool. Disgusting. Disgusting.
Oh my god.
Disgusting.
Well, it's a lot less fun when you're not dragging shit out of the bog. There's also got this.
No big. Not a snake yet. Birds.
Yeah.
Getting that f***er untangled.
Same spot. You can only throw this thing so far.
Yeah.
It's like the magnetical forces of the Earth's fucking hemispheres cocking over the program or something. I'm just a fucking weak goof. Okay? There's definitely something right over there that's metal, but it's like too big for this thing to want to stick.
That's what I felt too. It felt like it was like dragging along and sticking to it, but it's too heavy to pull out.
Yeah. What?
Good
A fragment. Oh, it's a piece of barbed wire.
Nice.
It's like a twisted up piece of barbed wire fence or something. In a bale. Somewhere down there, cowboy.
Exhaust Larry. Exhaust pipe Larry.
Yeah. Start snowing up. I bet you it's just got a bunch of vents down in there, and that's what you're hanging up. It's probably just like poop in this water, you know?
Oh yeah.
Like turtle poops.
Human fecal.
Yeah. I think I see a catfish. I'm gonna bonk it on the corner.
Do it.
Hey bro, pipe down, eh? Thanks. I thought for sure we were gonna pull up AK-47s and all kinds of fools.
Right.
We were gonna have to call the cops and have them disarm grenades and
Yeah.
for fig's sakes, you guys, that's what I thought. Okay?
Military weapons.
Yeah. Military grade weaponry.
Yeah.
I should show how long the rope is. I'll come down to the end of the rope and we'll show where Jim is all the way back there. Look how far away Jim is. Well, I'm at the end of the rope, Jim.
6 feet longer than this.
Holy! That's a long rope. That's a really long rope there. Jim? Wow, it's hot. Oh, imagine living somewhere where it was even remotely a similar temperature at, 2 different times of the year. You could be, not like minus 40 to plus 40.
Yeah.
That's our freaking
Within like
temperature.
a day.
Yeah. You wake up any given day, it could be minus 40 or plus 40. Up to you, bud. Hope you're happy.
Alright.
That's pretty cool. You're freaking happy, bud. But yeah, there's we pulled all the goodies out of here, boys. There's no goodies in this one. Sorry. You can feel some down there, but it's it's like a hunk of fence or something. It's not one to just tug out of there. But
Just imagine it's like part of this guardrail. Like went like right over the edge.
I think this is aluminum, dude. We should just hack this down, take it into Zubik. Look at this thing. I think this whole thing's aluminum. Look at this cast aluminum.
Yeah.
Holy shit. Oh yeah, this aluminum bridge, bud. We'll bring the Sosnol down here and start hacking hunks of this out, I think. Looks like extruded and cast. Nice. Well, we tried, but we have to go somewhere where they got stuff in there.
Maybe like a quarry.
It's probably like beer cans and stuff, and it's not magnets. It's not magnetic too bad.
Yeah. Not too bad.
Let's wind it up from this side, maybe. Take a swig of that, dude. Here, let me grab the camera and I'll film you.
Man, I'm not gonna do that.
Fucks, it used to be so fun.
Oh yeah, right.
Pizza, cars and stuff, cigarettes.
Oh, well, like that's like food. You know? That I can
I
like,
love cigarettes.
that my body can actually digest to a degree, but that's just gonna kill me.
All right, dudes, there you go. Friggin' got our Temu products and our Vevers and stuff, and we tried them all out there. Big thanks to the Temus. Make sure you download the appy, and don't forget the code DYX4243 in the prescription there. And yeah, boys, it's so much for something, so I gotta go.